Today I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful when you're working with clips that have inconsistent volume levels, ensuring your final video sounds professional and balanced. Let's walk through both methods you can use to achieve this. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll handle most of your video and audio adjustments. Now, there are actually two ways to normalize your audio in DaVinci Resolve, and I'll show you both so you can choose which works best for your project. The first method is quick and straightforward. Click directly on the audio clip in your timeline that you want to normalize. Once it's selected, right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, click on Normalize Audio Levels. This opens a dialog box where you'll have some control over how the normalization is applied. In this dialog box, you'll see an option labeled Normalization Mode. Here you can choose from the presets that DaVinci Resolve provides. These presets are designed to automatically adjust your audio to standard levels, making the process simple and efficient. After selecting your preferred mode, click Normalize. The software will process your audio and adjust the levels accordingly. This method is perfect when you need a fast solution and the default settings work for your content. Now let's move on to the second option, which gives you more manual control over your audio. At the bottom of your screen, click on Fairlight. This switches you to the Fairlight workspace, which is DaVinci Resolve's dedicated audio editing environment. Here you'll have access to advanced audio tools and features. Once you're in Fairlight, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll find the Mixer panel. Within the mixer, locate the section labeled Dynamics. This is where you can apply various audio effects to fine-tune your sound. Click on the track that contains the audio clip you want to adjust. This will open up the Dynamics controls for that specific track. In the Dynamics section, you'll see several options. Find and enable the compressor. The compressor helps even out the volume levels by reducing the loudest parts of your audio, which makes the overall sound more consistent. Once the compressor is enabled, look for the makeup control. Increase the makeup to around 5, though this value can vary depending on your specific clip and how much boost it needs. The makeup gain compensates for the volume reduction caused by compression, bringing your audio back up to a more audible level. And that's it. You've successfully normalized your audio in DaVinci Resolve using both the quick preset method and the more manual Fairlight approach. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.